Hey guys, do you want to know how to feel more confident? In this video, I share one of my secrets on how to do just that. My name is Marie Melissa, and I'm an NLP life-changing coach. On my channel, you'll find a whole bunch of tips and techniques on how to change your life for the better using NLP. All right, so let's get started. So today, I'm going to show you one of my tricks, one of my secrets on how to feel more confident. This secret is actually a secret I took from someone else. So I use the NLP technique of modeling and using other people's strategies to get something that I want. So what modeling is and using other people's strategies, seeing an outcome that they have that you want, and then watching those people, asking them the questions, getting to know them, to know how they're doing that. What are they telling themselves? What images are they seeing in their mind? What are they doing exactly, step by step? You determine the process that they're using to get the same results that they have. And you can model something very simple. Like today, I'll show you how to model being more confident. You can also model more complicated things. For example, like how to be an elite athlete and how to win competitions, or maybe how to be an excellent boss. All right, so now I'll show you what the power pose is. And I'll put a link up here or up here so that you can see the video where I found this power pose information. So the power pose can have different variations. The first one is standing straight, feet a little bit apart, hands on your hips, shoulders back, head a little bit high. And notice already that you're starting to feel the confidence. And then you can stay in this position for 2 minutes, and you can go ahead and pause the video and stay in that position and notice how you're feeling more and more confident. And you can slowly adjust your position, maybe shoulders a bit more back or more forward, the head position just right so that you can feel that confidence. And notice where that confidence is. Do you feel it more in your chest, a little higher up? How is it spreading across your body, up to the tip of your toes, the top of your head, and the tip of your fingers? Another way to do the power pose is by standing with your arms stretched up high, like this. You stay like this for 2 minutes. You notice where you feel the confidence. Where do you feel it in your body? How is it spreading through your body? And see how you're feeling more confident now to do what you want to do. Whatever it is, maybe it's an interview, maybe it's going on a date, maybe it's standing in front of a group of coworkers to do a presentation. Whatever it is, you can feel more confident now. Another way to do the power pose is by sitting on a chair. So you sit down, you have your legs a little bit apart, leaning comfortably in your chair, your arms on the armrest, again, shoulders back, the head a little bit high. And notice again, where are you feeling the confidence? And how is it spreading through your body? And along with this, you can tell yourself something that can be useful for you. Something like, I'm confident, I can do this. And once you've been in your power pose for a couple minutes, then you could go into this situation that you were a little bit maybe afraid of, feeling more confident and more ready. And you can even notice that as you use this technique more and more, you're probably not going to need the entire 2 minutes to feel confident. You can just simply, right when you put your hands on your hips, or right when you sit down in that position, or if you put your hands up in the air, right away in an instant, you can start feeling that confidence that you need. And bring that confidence to this new situation now. So the question of the day is, when are you going to use this power pose trick? Comment down below. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and hit the bell so that you can get a notification every time I put out a new video. Have an amazing week, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye-bye.